はい、こんにちは。Let's start making a simple Japanese sentence from zero. Okay, today we start with toilet is here. Toilet is here. Okay, that's very simple English sentence. Okay, let's expand from here. Okay, how do you say toilet in Japanese? Yes, probably as you know, toire. Toire. Sounds a little bit similar. Toire. How do you say is? Des. Des. Someone tried to say desu, but actually des sounds more natural. The here. So we say koko. Koko. Koko means here. Then you might want to say toire desu koko. Toire desu koko. Okay, if you're a native speaker, you can guess that means toilet is here. But that's not quite right because Japanese sentence has different word order. Okay, let's make it in the right order. Okay, typical Japanese sentence structure, go with topic, followed by wa, followed by noun, followed by particle, and with verb. Okay, if I write down toilet is here based on the sentence structure, toilet is here. Okay, here can be adverb, here can be also noun. In this case, let's put it as a noun. Okay, so toilet is here. How do you say that in Japanese? Okay, as we discussed, toilet is toire. Then writing down topic marker は、トイレは、そしてここ。ここ means here. Then end with this. This. Okay. Then full stop. That's a small tiny circle in Japanese. Then you might say, sensei, what about particle? Okay. The particle is like a prepositions in English, such as in, on, at, to, from, with. So in the original sentence, we don't see that kind of prepositions. So in this case, let's leave it. Okay. トイレはここです。トイレはここです。That means toilet is here. Okay, maybe you might want to say toilet is there. Toilet is there, which is そこ。そこ。トイレはそこです。トイレはそこです。That means toilet is there. Okay. Then if you want to say toilet is over there, so you can say, okay, over there in Japanese, which is あそこ。あそこ。So you can say トイレはあそこです。トイレはあそこです。That means toilet is over there. Okay, then you might want to say, where is the toilet? Where is the toilet? Yes, that's very important expression when you visit Japan. Yes, every human being wants to go to toilet. So it's very important to find out where the toilet is. Okay, so we need to learn the word where in Japanese. We don't know if it's here or there or over there. So instead, we need to say あそこ。Okay, this is my mistake, sorry. We should say どこ。どこ。Okay. どこ means where. どこ means where. So you can say トイレはどこですか Okay, please don't forget Japanese question marker か。トイレはどこですかトイレはどこですか That means where is the toilet? Then if you ask トイレはどこですか I'm sure Japanese people pointing out the direction トイレは ここです。トイレはそこです。トイレはあそこです。But if you don't understand what they're talking about, if you don't still understand, maybe you can learn a bit of useful expressions. Okay. For example, please go with me. Please go there with me. So you can say, 一緒に行ってください。一緒に行ってください。一緒に行ってください。Okay. 一緒に means together. 行ってください means please go. Please go together. Let's go together. So if you want to know where it is, if you want the person in front of you to go to the toilet together, 一緒に行ってください。If they recognize your overseas person, yes, I'm sure they can help you, unless the person is very cranky or unkind person. 一緒に行ってください。Or maybe you can write down, please write it down. Please write it down. If you say that, they might be able to write down the map. はい。紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。That means, please write it down on a piece of paper. 紙に書いてください。Okay. Then these days people using a smartphone. Okay. So maybe you can open your Google Map or whatever map application. Then you can say, please enter the location or please point out the location. In that case, you are showing a Google Map or whatever map application to the person saying, どこですか? トイレはどこですか? If you say that, a Japanese person, I'm sure they point out here, ここです。or そこです。トイレはどこですか? That's very useful expression when you use your smartphone as well. Then one more last thing. If you ask the direction, yes, I do recommend you to start with すみません。すみません。Yes. すみません means excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. As you can guess, Japanese people are busy people. They're walking very fast. If you don't try to attract attention, it's hard to ask them the direction. So let's say, すみません。すみません。トイレはどこですか? トイレはどこですか? Then if you don't understand, 一緒に行ってください。一緒に行ってください。or 紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。Then you can show your map on your mobile phone. You can say, トイレはどこですか? トイレはどこですか? Then the Japanese person, I'm sure he or she will point out where it is. Okay, this expression is very useful. You can apply to other locations as well. For example, how do you say, where is the train station? Where is the train station? You can say, 駅。駅。駅 means train station. 駅はどこですか? 駅はどこですか? If you want to say bus stop, you can say バス停。バス停。バス停 means bus stop. バス停はどこですか? バス停はどこですか? Then if you want to say where's the taxi station? A little bit longer. タクシー乗り場。タクシ シー乗り場。that means タクシーターミナル。タクシー乗り場はどこですか？タクシー乗り場はどこですか？Likewise, you can expand this expression in many ways. はい。Today, we focus on the location when you ask directions. The most important expression today is トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？ Then they might say ここです、or そこです、or あそこです。はい。I hope you understand today's lesson. So if you have any questions, please let me know. はい。ありがとうございました。